welcome to my channel, Papa. We are gonna teach you how to sing, float, and sing. Float.
What's that?
Orange.
Plastic orange, right? Is it real orange?
No.
Yeah.
It's float. It looks like playing with the water in a cup.
Got it.
Floating.
What's that?
Carry. This car sinks. This is potato, and let's see if it sinks or float. It sinked. Let's see if it float or sink. It float.
What's that?
Pepper. Now let's check what this do. Is light.
Is it floating or sinking?
It's almost sinking, I mean.
But it's still floating, right? It's kind of floating and sinking both.
Yes, it's kind of in the middle.
Kind of in the...
Middle.
Ah.
Now let's check the key. This sinks, but if we see closer, then it will be not even like difficult to me. So we here. Now we're gonna show you how the car can do. It's sinking. Now we're going to show you that the money can do. It's sink. My bunny has a hole inside, so I can put my finger inside. So that way I play puppets. Let's see what the crayon can do. It's sink. Mama, a crayon is also is the right place to do.
Sinking?
Yes. Mommy, the crayon also can do something, right?
Mm.
Let's see the battery can do. It's synced. Now we're going to show you how the bandage goes.
Let me see. Is it sinking or floating?
Floating is wet. I cannot even wear this again. Even wet. Let's see what.
What's that?
I can see you.
Let me see. What is that? Oh,
This is. I don't know.
magnifying
Magnifying.
glass.
It's floating. Now let's see.
That.
Now this is the eraser. It's synced. It's sinking. It's really sinking. Yes.
What's that?
These are my blocks.
Okay, wait. What do you think?
These are letter blocks.
Okay, what do you think? Are they going to sink or float?
I don't know. Let's see. It's floating.
Yes.
He's right there, Mama. This is floating. Now let's see what do this flower do. Just put it upside down.
Look what it's doing.
It's moving.
And it's coming up or down?
Middle.
Middle? Okay, it's kind of floating, right? Because it's coming up.
No, the down is sinking. See?
Mm.
Even is in the middle. See? Is in the middle. Well, now let's check. The rock can do.
Oop.
It's sinking. This is just my water fountain rock. Let's see. This one can do. Is floating. Now I got a paintbrush. Now we need to see if it float or sink. It's floating. I just get it, Mama. Now let's check the spoon. Ooh, it's sinking. Brush
Is it used or it's new?
is new.
Okay, let's see.
If we put it down, then it comes up,
So it's floating or sinking?
floating. Now let's check the Lego. It's just stick together. Ooh, this is floating. See?
Let me see. Yes, it's floating.
This is a jumping dinosaur eating the water. Jump, 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 jump. Here is the puzzle. It's floating. See? Now let's check the stick.
Oh, is it too big?
Yeah. Look, if I do like this, it can be like a bridge. Walkie, walkie, mister. Oh, is this a new bridge? Let's walk. Now, this is sinking.
Who's that?
Ryder, help me! Help me! Whee! Ooh. Thank you. Now this is a pencil. Let's see if it float or sink. It's floating.
It's floating?
Yes.
Okay.
See?
Mm.
Oh, it's diving also. It's diving. Ah, help me, I'm sinking. Help me. This is my favorite red car. It My mom just drive it. This is my mom's old car. Oh. This is standing. See how it looks like standing. See, it's standing.
It's standing? Yes.
See?
Why it's standing?
Because
No, not now. Not now.
if we move it.
Yeah, if you move on that side. Oh, okay.
See? If we put it like this, if we put it like this. It's sleeping. Standing like silly day. Oh my god. Now let's see all of the things go inside. See? You can put them. Oh my god. Thank you for seeing my watching my video, and you're gonna subscribe it on my channel. Bye.